Khathi ijaji likhipha isinqumo lithe sekuphele izinsuku eziyikhulu kuqhubeka ukubulawa kwabantu eGaza. Lichaze lempi eqhubekayo njengonya olubhekiswe ebantwini kanye nokunyathelwa kwamalungelo abantu okuphila. Inkantolo isichithile isicelo se-Israel sokuthi leli cala lithathwe njengento engekho.
The court considers that it cannot accede to Israel's request that the case be removed from the general list.
Inkantolo inikeze Israel imigomo nembandela yokuthi igweme ukubulawa kwabantu kuleli yazwe. Ithi kumele yenze konke okusemandleni ukuqinisekisa ukuthi akubibikho ukuphalala kwegazi. Amasosha ase-Israel nawo kumele enze isiqiniseko sokuthi abekho abantu ababulawayo. Kanti-ke kuzomele bethathelwe izinyathelo bonke abantu ababa ngamashoshozela ukuthi kuhlukunyezwe abantu. Iphinde-ke iqinisekise ukuthi ivumela ukuthunyelwa kwezidingo kubantu.
The court considers that the plausible rights in question in this proceeding, namely the right of Palestinians in the Gaza Strip to be protected from acts of genocide and related prohibited acts identified in Article 3 of the Genocide Convention, and the right of South Africa to seek Israel's compliance with the latter's obligation under the Convention, are of such a nature that prejudice to them is capable of causing irreparable harm.
Ningizimu Afrika isemukele isinqumo senkantolo.
We are satisfied that the provisional measures that we sought to be addressed would be addressed by the court.
Israel isigxekile isinqumo senkantolo yathi izoqhubeka nokuzivikela.
Israel's commitment to international law is unwavering. Equally unwavering is our sacred commitment to continue to defend our country and defend our people. Like every country, Israel has an inherent right to defend itself.
Abantu base-Palestine babonge ukwesekwa abakutholile kulesi sikhathi esinzima ababhekene naso.
This order means that the court recognized the gravity of the situation and was convinced by South Africa's compelling presentation that was based on law and fact that there are plausible cause to believe that Israel is committing genocide in Gaza.
I-Israel iyalelwe ukuthi ithumele umbiko wenkantolo I-Icj nyanga zonke ozosho ukuthi yikuphi esikwenzile kukho konke eyalelwe ukuthi ikwenze.